Yes, very good morning, students. So, all of you take your maths textbooks, term 1, open your page 71. In page 71, you can find match these 3D shapes in column A with the objects in column B. So all of you, if you observe, A and B are given some shapes, we have to match them. If you observe very clearly, the first one is in the shape of a cone, so you can match it. And if you observe, the second one is in the shape of a cube, you can observe. And the third one is in the shape of a cylinder, you just match it. The next one is in the shape of a circle, and this is in the shape of a cuboid, and this is in the shape of the pyramid. So if you observe, dear students, the first one here, if you observe the shapes and match the following, you with the pencil, you match the following in page number 71. Now, all of you turn to page number 75. All of you turn to page number 75. Dear students, you can find the shapes and asking to write down the number of faces, edges and vertices. So all of you are instructed to see page number 73, what you can come across on the screen, and by seeing that we can fill the columns in page number 75. You observe very clearly the first shape what you have. If you go to page number 73, you can find the first shape. What is that first shape? Yes, that is a cube. So dear children, you have to write here with small letters cube, C-U-B-E, cube. You have to write a cube. You write a cube there. In small letters, in this column, you write a cube. Clear? C-U-B-E. So that is a cube. So if you observe, for this cube, how many faces are there? If you just see for this cube, how many faces are there? If you turn to page number 73 and see, you can clearly see there are 6 faces. There are 6 faces, you can observe. And you have 8 vertices. You have 8 vertices and you have 12 edges. So you have 12 edges. So you know the second one. The second figure is, what is that second figure? That is a circle. You can see that is a circle. C-A-R-C-L-E, circle. Is it clear? So if you have for this circle, how many faces are there? One face is there. And how many vertices you come across, and coming to vertices, it is 0 vertices we have, and even you have edges, 0 edges we have. Is it clear? So even edges we have 0 edges. Clear? So dear students, if you observe very clearly, for this circle we have 0 vertices and 0 edges. And the next one is a cuboid. If you observe, the shape of that is a cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Is it clear? So dear students, cuboid is the shape of that figure, and for that cuboid, how many faces are there? You have 6 faces and you have 8 vertices and you have 12 edges for that. And the next one you come across that is cylinder. You can see children, that is cylinder. CYLINDER. That is a cylinder what you come across. And for this cylinder, if you observe, there are three faces and we have 0 vertices and we have 2 edges. And the next one is, you know, the shape of that is pyramid. PYRAMID. So PYRAMID, pyramid. You can write the name by seeing in page number 73. For this pyramid, if you observe there are 5 faces and there are 5 vertices and there are 8 edges. And the last one we have, that is a cone, CONE, cone. So if you observe, for that cone there are 2 faces and 1 vertices and we have 1 edge. So dear students, if you observe in page number 73, all the shapes are given and very clearly the names, faces, vertices, edges are given. So all of you very clearly go through that page 73 and fill up these columns on your own by seeing. So page number 75, you fill it up. Is clear? So thank you very much. Have a great day, students. See you in the next class. Thank you.